So what's the biggest red flag you have ignored just because you were attracted to them?
I knew he had a girlfriend, but he was flirting with me.
You ignored that he had a girlfriend. Hello and welcome back to another episode of Love in the City with me, Kashish. Today we are in Mehrauli, dressed our best because it is Friday night. Would you forgive cheating if they confessed immediately?
Yes, of course.
So what do guys need from the girl? What?
The guys know.
No. We are stopping strangers to talk about love, dating, relationships, partner who earns more or loves more. Would you ever get back with your ex?
Yeah.
Are you still in love with your ex?
Yeah.
Everyone around me have dressed their best and have come with an idea that it'll be a drama-free night. Losing your phone or your partner. Oh. But you know what? With us here, I don't think it's gonna be a drama-free night. Cheat or be cheated on?
Damn.
Neither. No. You have to choose.
Cheat.
Oh, girl. Guys, listen to her advice. Just look at her ring. Show your ring. So let's create some drama tonight. Let's go. We have 4 cards.
Okay.
And you have to choose one.
Okay.
One is confession, one is hot take, marriage, and truth. Which one you would like to choose?
I'm gonna choose marriage.
Truth. सच्चाई सामने आएगी.
Okay. Marriage.
Confession.
Okay. I think we should go with confession.
Oh, I think it's truth one.
Truth.
Yeah.
Not hot take.
Hot take.
Hot take. She chooses hot take. Okay, let's go. So Dilina ने choose किया है confession. Are you ready for it?
Yes.
So what's the worst thing you have ever done in a relationship?
Lied about my age.
Why is that?
He was way older than me, so I wanted it to be a bit closer. Maybe he'll not see me that way. So
Wow. You're wild.
now you're making me feel
I'm
guilty.
not. Would you ever get back with your ex?
No,
Never.
never.
Why? Was it that bad?
It's not good to go back in your past.
गड़े मुर्दों को नहीं निकालना चाहिए.
Yes, बिल्कुल.
So what's your name?
Agner, nice to meet you.
Agner.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Brazil.
Wow.
Yeah.
I love Neymar.
Yeah, Neymar's good.
So Agner, would you ever get back with your ex?
Yeah.
Yes. Why?
I love the past, you know, the past.
But
is
like
so
they are
good.
past for a reason.
A lot of vacations and enjoy together, you know, have a good connection.
Are you still in love with your ex?
Yeah.
I feel like talking to your exes is the biggest red flag.
Okay, hottest dating take.
When you're dating someone, just be old school, be chivalrous, pull the seat, open the door, be nice. That's it.
Do you think men are chivalrous now?
No, they just don't care enough anymore.
Do you want someone chivalrous?
I'm married.
Whoa, look at that ring. Is he chivalrous?
Yeah, yeah.
I think until this person gives you like extreme butterflies in your stomach and you feel like magical around them, you shouldn't go out with them.
Okay.
I think when you meet the right person, there's a click, and until you don't have that, until the conversations just flow very easily, and you can develop a kind of friendship, I don't think you should waste time. Like when I met my husband,
you're married?
Yeah, there was a Facebook love in the
Lovely.
beginning. But then when I saw him for the first time, I just looked at him and he looked at me, and for like good 3 to 5 minutes, we were just staring at each other.
School mein
That
pyar
kind
ho
of-
gaya?
Yes.
You chose marriage. So what's your name?
Hi, I'm Diva. Nice to
Diva.
meet you. Yeah.
Wow, you are a diva.
Thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Veronica. Veronica for
Hi,
Verona.
We are Verona, and
Yes.
people do often call us Veronica.
It was a great match, yes.
So Diva, do you ever want to get married?
Yeah, of course. I
How old are you?
do. I'm 19.
Wow. Do you ever want to get married?
I am married, happily, very, very happily, and with a 2.5-year-old son.
What's so beautiful about marriage?
You have a partner and you can cry all about your day, and you can just dump all the things, all the boring things to your partner. They can fill the petrol in your car. So I think that's fun.
That's
Yeah.
fun. Do you have a type?
Definitely, like just someone respectful, loyal, someone who matches my interests. Looks are important, but just not as important as a personality.
Personality.
Could be, yeah.
Physical attraction is very important. Good life is very important for the glow.
So what's the biggest red flag you have ignored just because you were attracted to them?
I knew he had a girlfriend, but he was flirting with me.
That was a red flag you ignored. You ignored that he had a girlfriend. What's a red flag that society has normalized?
Arranged marriage for me is a red flag. Just marrying because mummy papa ka pressure, or just marrying because age is passing by, and marrying the wrong person just for the pressure of doing it. I think
So
that's
we
a big
should
red
not.
flag.
You have
No.
a lot of hot takes. You know that, right?
I didn't know that.
What's a red flag in a girl, though?
When she talks a lot with different guys, I don't like that.
How he talks about girls with his friends.
If they have a say in your friends, that who your friends are, that's a red flag.
Got it.
How he treats his mother.
Whoa.
मतलब girl or boy does not treat their family right. What would they do with their partner is like आजकल जो वो रेड ड्रम ब्लू ड्रम वाले ड्रामे चल रहे हैं तो वो तो फिर वही होएगा ना.
And if you tend to lose your own self while you are making someone else happy, that's a very big red flag. A marriage doesn't mean that you need to please someone constantly. You need to be your own self.
One dating rule or marriage rule you think is completely unnecessary?
I feel the dating rule that the men are supposed to pay for the date is completely unnecessary.
Why do you feel so?
We're in a day and age where everyone's earning for themselves, we're independent, we choose to go out on dates with these people who we go out with, so why not? I mean, it's
Just
totally
let the
fine.
men.
Yeah.
I think there's the third date rule.
What's the third date rule?
I think the third date says that
You can get intimate.
You can be intimate. Yeah.
On third. And you feel like it's not enough. 3 days are not enough.
3 dates or not? And if you're doing it for fun, then yeah, protection. I'm a doctor, so protection.
Yeah. Protection, please. Do you think relationships works better when the guy is more in love with the girl?
Yes,
अच्छा.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah, that's true.
अब इस लड़की को ज़्यादा प्यार करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, because if the guy loves the girl, give you all the things, pay the
Effort.
bills, give comfort, take care of her,
So what do
Just-
guys need from the girl? What?
The guys know.
No.
Girls have a different mindset. She has so many things in her mind, like aisa hota waisa hota, but I think so boy doesn't have these. They just live in their
Own
own
bubble.
Yes.
What's the secret to happy marriage?
Talk and communicate. Communicate as much as you can. There is nothing as over communication. We talk a lot, and I think that's a secret to our happy marriage.
Wow, that is so beautiful. Would you forgive cheating if they confessed immediately?
I don't know.
Here we go.
Yes, of course.
I forget it.
I mean, but she cheated on you.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter to you.
Yeah, I don't care.
Because if they are confessing, then he has realized this situation. That's
तो आप believe नहीं करते once a cheater always a cheater में?
no, because in life we have to give a chance. What do you think?
I believe in once a cheater always a cheater. So rapid fire है.
Okay.
And you have to be really rapid with it. Okay.
Okay.
Hot but toxic or average but loyal.
Tough, average but loyal.
Average but loyal.
Average but loyal.
Yeah. Good choice. Good choice. Cheat or be cheated on.
Damn.
Neither.
No, you have to choose. You have to choose.
Cheat.
Oh, girl.
Which is wrong.
Be cheated on.
Whoa. Dilemma. Okay.
Be cheated on.
Both are bad, but
Rapid.
cheat.
Partner who earns more or loves more.
Loves more.
Who loves more?
Loves more.
Loves more. Definitely loves more.
That's important. फिर तुम बोलते हो लड़कियां गोल्ड डिगर है. कहाँ है गोल्ड डिगर? कौन है गोल्ड डिगर? कहाँ है गोल्ड डिगर? Date your boss or your ex.
My boss.
You want to date your boss,
Yeah,
not your ex.
sure.
But you just said that you want to get back with your ex.
Yeah.
Boss.
Ex.
Losing your phone or your partner.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Damn.
अरे rapid
Phone.
Your phone.
Be famous on Instagram or happily married.
Happily married.
Happy marriage.
Who gives a fuck? Oh,
No
happily married.
So that was it, guys. Friday night खत्म नहीं हुई है, but हमारा ये interview ज़रूर खत्म हो गया है. People here are so cool, so amazing, and their hot takes are just like top tier. So see you next time. Until then, if you like this video, share it with your friends, comment below where we should go next, and we'll see you the next time. Bye.